this lesson, we'll see how to copy an AMI from one account to another. So it's perfectly possible to share an AMI that you have created with another user. Sharing this AMI does not affect the owner. If you share, you remain the owner. If we copy an AMI that has been shared with us, we own that AMI in our account. To copy an AMI that has been shared with us by another account, the rightful owner of the AMI must give us permission on the storage where the image is saved, whether it's on USB storage or S3 storage. So you might wonder, what are the limits to sharing AMIs? You cannot copy an encrypted AMI that has been shared with you. However, if the encryption key was shared with us with the AMI, we can copy the AMI with our own encryption key. Since we now own a copy, we can create an AMI from this instance. Similarly, we cannot copy an AMI associated with a paid product from another account. This includes Windows AMIs as well as AMI from AWS Store. To copy this type of AMI, you need to start an instance from the shared AMI and then create it from that instance. So now we'll see how it looks in the console. So here I have my AMI. On the console it appears, and if I want to allow someone to be able to run my instance, I'll put add permissions here. For example, for a normal user, I'll add and then I'll know that this user will be able to run my AMI. However, he will not be able to copy it. If I want the person to be able to copy my AMI, I'll click this box and it will give the appropriate permissions to the person with whom I'm sharing the AMI. I save. As we've seen, if the person wants to copy my AMI, they won't be able to copy it directly. They'll have to launch the AMI and then they'll be able to create an AMI from the instance they'll launch with my AMI. This is quite simple, but it is a concept that must be understood for the certification process.